Emilio, if you could answer for me, people who journal and still feel overwhelmed, what would you say to them about trying to eliminate overwhelm?
That's a really good question because I struggle with that too. The reality these days is that we all have a lot of ideas, and if you are a creative person, if you are someone that likes to do a lot of things, it's very normal to be overwhelmed because you want to do way too many things and you don't have enough time. And if you add having a family or having a full-time job or like all the things that you have to do in your life, it becomes very difficult to find time for the things that are really important for you. Journaling allows you to dump all those ideas into a piece of paper, and then you can see, and then you can be more realistic about, can I really do all these things? One exercise that we invite all of our clients, and we do it with ourselves, is creating a list of all the things that you want to do, putting how much time you are expecting that you will need to do that, and then a priority level. What's the most important thing? Number one, number two, number three. When I do that exercise, I realize that I am being impatient. I'm trying to get too much stuff done, but I don't really have the time to do everything that I want. But when I can do that, I'm becoming aware of why that's happening. And when I have that list with the priorities, I can then focus my time and energy into the ones that are more important, and then I can be more intentional about how I'm using my time. So journaling will allow you to do that, and I feel that that's what's happening to a lot of people. By having that journal, it's a great tool to make them aware of the things that they want to do and to make sure that they are spending the time and energy doing the things that they really want to do, not the things that are coming at them every single day. So I think that's why this is a really good tool to reduce the overwhelm.